Brian here with you to look at this nice little lot of early 20th century, circa 1924, French, Art Deco, pochoir prints. Each one has original hand color as issued. They all have some form of text on the back. As you can see, each one of these is very much an Art Deco style. Le Petit apparently did that one of a Harlequin. That's a great one. Look at this one. Yeah, cafe scene on the street there, housewife. Then there's this little one here, which is 1925, Paris. It's not a pochoir print, but it's a beautiful color print that's similar in era, just a different style of Art Deco illustration. And so this lot of 10 printed images is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.